In this video, we are going to see how we can change the default language in Brave browser to something else. Like, let's say French is your default language and you want to change that in Brave browser, how we can easily do that. So for that, just click on these three lines at the top right and click on the settings right at the bottom. And once you're in here, just click on the languages on the left hand side section. And here you will see that English is set by default. If your default language is not listed here, you just click on add languages and search for that particular language. Let's say I want to add French and I want to add the French for Canada. Click on add. And after that, once you see this in the list, click on these three lines or three dots and click on display Brave in this language. That's all you have to do. Just close out of here, close the browser again, open Google or Brave browser, and you will see not only Google search buttons are in French, but all the settings are also showing in the French language. So whenever you want to convert it back to English, let's say you just click on the symbols that you already know of. So this gear icon is for settings. Let's go in here. This is for languages, and let's move to English, make it as default and relaunch. And now we are back to English. But that's how you convert the default language in Brave browser. Just try this by yourself and I will see you in the next one.